Achieve your critical IT objectives and demonstrate the value of IT. Improving application support with ITIL Service Management. During this presentation, we will discuss how to practically apply the principles of ITIL to application support. The article Benefiting from an ITIL Model, a tutorial for CIOs, discusses the benefits of implementing ITIL disciplines in the day-to-day operating environment. The following is an excerpt from the article in CIOMidmarket.com. You've undoubtedly heard horror stories about IT infrastructure library framework adoptions gone haywire, or ITIL experts enmeshed in ITIL meetings and process training that seem to go on forever. While the ITIL framework has gained popularity by addressing management needs, for some CIOs the ITIL model remains an overwhelming challenge. It's hard to deny the benefits, but implementation is another story. How can this framework be beneficial and livable on a daily basis? How can the expense be justified? Whether you go for a full-blown ITIL framework or adopt an ITIL light approach to IT, you shouldn't shy away from an ITIL model. On the contrary, after reading the advice of ITIL experts and learning how simple changes can lead to huge rewards, you may want not to stop implementing ITIL techniques through many areas inside your organization. It seems from this article and numerous others that IT executives want to jump on the ITIL bandwagon, but they can't figure out how to practically implement it. Taking the ITIL theory and then putting it into practice at the day-to-day organizational level is the challenge that many CIOs face today. Businesses are increasing the demand for IT to demonstrate value for the investment made in the IT organization. No longer does IT have carte blanche to keep spending money without demonstrating the value IT is delivering to the business. It has become like any other business function that must demonstrate value in defined and measurable terms. Whether it is the CFOs, CEOs, CIOs, or whomever, they have to prove that they are delivering value and not just a drain on corporate resources. The book, Does IT Matter?, is a fascinating treatise on the fact that over a period of time, businesses' perception of IT's value has eroded. It is important that as IT professionals, we must find a way to clearly demonstrate IT's real value to the business. In this slide, the IT organization is trying to demonstrate value while continuing to support the business. So we're juggling all these balls, on occasion even dropping the ball, and at the same time we've got to show some kind of measurable value of what are we delivering. At this point in many cases, we are not achieving these goals. Many IT organizations are successfully using ITIL as a way to demonstrate value. In this slide we have all of the functional IT balls in order, not random and chaotic. Additionally, on the easel we see many of the benefits which the ITIL process brings to the IT organization. Align, manage, measure, and improve. These benefits are embedded within all phases of the ITIL version 3 lifecycle. Align IT support with business strategies and goals. Manage resource work and quality effectively and efficiently. Measure performance against defined and agreed expectations, and improve process and service performance of the application support function through the use of data and root cause analysis. These benefits translate directly into IT cost savings and being able to do more work for less cost. How can we use ITIL to better manage and measure our IT service delivery? What we will discuss is a practical approach, not theory, to implementing ITIL best practices within the application support function. How can we use ITIL to better manage and measure application support service delivery? This slide demonstrates how ITIL's best practices can help you achieve your IT and business objectives. ITIL best practice enables significant dollar savings in application support or the ability to redirect funds and resources to critical strategic projects. The following is an example of how ITIL can be used to achieve these goals. Ability to redeploy knowledge workers through increased productivity and reducing non-value work. Measurable operational efficiencies which can reduce the cost of IT application support, and the money saved in application support can be redirected to other project or budget areas that have been cut. In summary, improved productivity and efficiency using ITIL application support best practices allows the IT organization to redeploy resources, align support with the business, improve the consistency of work, and improve quality of IT service delivery. The goal of implementing ITIL best practices is to achieve a 20 to 30% reduction in the cost of application support, or additional work without the need of increasing staff. Using the following three-step approach, learn how to implement ITIL within the IT application support function. Step number 1, recognize that application support is an important service. Step number 2, understand ITIL. And step number 3, apply ITIL to application support. Is your IT department struggling to demonstrate value? Continue now to step number 1 and help your business recognize that application support is a critically important service. You are also welcome to visit our website at www.itservicemanagement-itil.com or contact Bob Anderson, CAI's ITIL Application Support Project Manager at bob_anderson@compaid.com.